Swagbucks has more than a dozen earning methods, but surveys are usually the slowest and most inconsistent. If you skip them completely, you can still stack points faster by focusing on higher-paying tasks. By the end of this, you'll know the fastest non-survey methods on Swagbucks and how to combine them for quicker payouts. Here's the direct answer. The fastest way to earn on Swagbucks without surveys is through paid offers, cashback shopping, game installs, and daily bonuses. Those 4 methods usually move faster than answering survey questions. Start with the Offers tab. This is where the bigger payouts usually sit. Swagbucks partners with apps, subscription services, and games. A typical offer might ask you to install an app, create an account, or hit a game milestone. Some pay after one action. Others need multiple steps. Read every condition. If an offer says, deposit required, or complete level 15, missing one step means no credit. Next is cashback shopping. If you already buy online, this is one of the easiest ways to build points without extra work. Swagbucks gives cashback through stores when you click through their links first. The process is simple. Open Swagbucks, search the store, click the cashback link, then buy normally. That turns regular spending into points. Third is mobile gaming. Swagbucks often runs game offers that reward you for playtime or progress. These can stack well if you're already gaming anyway. The smart move is choosing games with early milestone rewards instead of long, grind-heavy games. Short milestones usually mean faster credit. Then, there's daily bonuses. Swagbucks has streak systems, to-do lists, and small check-in tasks. These don't pay much alone, but they compound. If you're already doing offers, completing bonus tasks at the same time increases your total without extra effort. Here's the strategy that works best. Open Swagbucks daily. Check fresh offers first. Prioritize simple app installs or low-level game milestones. Use cashback links for anything you were already buying. Then complete the bonus checklist. That builds points from multiple directions at once. Quick recap. Skip surveys if they waste your time. Focus on offers first, because they usually pay more. Use cashback to stack earnings on regular purchases. Use daily bonuses to boost everything else. Your next step is easy. Spend 10 minutes checking the Offers tab and bookmark the highest paying beginner tasks. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and check out the next breakdown on which Swagbucks offers are actually worth doing.